How to enable mentions and bio notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find mentions and bio notifications from everyone on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram and then click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click the storylines, and now click settings, then just click this one notifications, and here you will find following and followers. Now, now scroll down until you find this one from everyone. And now all you need to do is just click from everyone and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.